Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the 2006 Bobcat S300 large frame skid steer loader. Just 1,560 hours on this one-speed, very capable large frame machine. Vertical lift boom, no shortage of lift, 128.8 inches to the hinge pins. That puts it at almost 11 feet. Cab heat, added bonus, high flow hydraulics, 4 new tires. We got some minor corrosion on the boom. You can go ahead and put a paint job on it or run it like it is. Rear tailgate's got some stains on it, but it's very straight. There's a look at our power plant. It'll go out with a full service. 81 horsepower. You know, with the long wheelbase on this machine, it's extremely stable. And when you got those big loads up over 10 feet in the air, because this one's rated at 3,000 pounds for a safe lift, you'll have no problem with it. You know, easy machine in and out with the 2 steps. This machine has standard controls, 1561 on the hours. We got the keyless panel on it, so it's easy to start up. Let's bring that big Kubota to life. Do not have bucket positioning, but we do have high flow. And that high flow is going to provide us with 37 gallons per minute. So all kinds of flow. Cab with heat. Machine's a great starter. Once again, a 2006 Bobcat S300 single speed, high flow, 81 horse engine in this one. 8268 on the operating weight, so it's just over 4 tons. You can still trailer it. 3,000 rated operated capacity. It's going to lift more than that. 37 gallon per minute high flow. New tires, 128 inches to the hinge pins. All kinds of lift and a vertical lift boom. Cab with heat. No power bob attach, but the pins are in real nice shape. The ears, the plate looks good, built nice and heavy. No problem hooking up to the bucket, and we will include a new bucket with this machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this 2006 Bobcat S300. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. We're just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota. Freeway 94, exit 4. Been here 25 years, and Tri-State just continues to take care of its customers and grow. We'd like to help you out. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.